Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for meaningful anniversary gifts that feel personal and creative, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 DIY anniversary gift ideas that are thoughtful, budget-friendly, and perfect for creating unforgettable memories. Let's get started. Number 1. DIY Memory Scrapbook. Fill it with photos, notes, stickers, and special moments together. Number 2. Personalized Love Jar. Write small love messages and memories on colorful paper notes. Number 3. Handmade Photo Frame. Decorate a custom frame with romantic designs and favorite pictures. Number 4. DIY Candle Set. Create beautiful scented candles with personalized labels. Number 5. Customized Couple Mug. Paint mugs with names, quotes, or anniversary dates. Number 6. Handmade Explosion Box. A creative surprise box filled with photos and hidden messages. Number 7. DIY Wall Art. Design a meaningful quote or anniversary date artwork. Number 8. Personalized Keychain. A small handmade keepsake with initials or symbols. Number 9. DIY Gift Basket. Fill it with snacks, skincare products, candles, and sweet notes. Number 10. Handmade Greeting Card. A heartfelt handmade card always feels extra special. Number 11. Photo Collage Board. Combine favorite memories into a stylish decorative display. Number 12. DIY Decorative Candles Holder. Elegant handmade decor for romantic evenings at home. Number 13. Personalized Pillow Covers. Create cozy cushions with romantic text or images. Number 14. Handmade Jewelry Box. A creative storage gift with customized decoration. Number 15. DIY Plant Pot Design. Paint flower pots with romantic colors and messages. Number 16. Customized Recipe Book. Collect favorite homemade meals and memorable recipes together. Number 17. Handmade Bookmark Set. Perfect for book lovers who appreciate thoughtful gifts. Number 18. DIY Couple Calendar. A personalized calendar filled with important dates and photos. Number 19. Handmade Room Decor Set. Create decorative items for bedroom or living room spaces. And finally, number 20. Surprise DIY Anniversary Dinner Setup. Decorate your home with candles, flowers, handmade decorations, and a cozy dinner arrangement for a truly romantic anniversary night. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.